Welcome to Digicel Smart Home. Thank you for choosing us as your preferred provider. Now that you've signed up, we're excited to get you set up with your new service. There are just a few things left to do to ensure a smooth and seamless experience. Firstly, we would like to reassure you that we place the highest value on the safety of our teams and our customers, and as such, we are taking extra precautions. You can expect our technicians to be equipped with gloves, a face mask, booties, hand sanitizer and sanitizing sprays. Use sanitizing agents on all equipment and surfaces that they interact with, and adhere to social distancing, 6 feet away from any other individual. We'll call you to schedule a convenient time for the installation. Please make note of your installation date and time and ensure that someone over 18 years will be home to guide us. Take a moment to consider your preferred placement for the new devices. The Digicel technician will present his ID for confirmation before entering your home and will help recommend the ideal device placement to optimize your new service. Please remember to have prepared the essential documents as discussed with your sales associate, including the signed order agreement. Our techs will assist in setting you up on the app and show you how to monitor your home remotely from your personal device. Once installation is complete, the techs will tidy up and ask you to sign the technician's oath to guarantee everything is to your liking. We will call you shortly after install from your chosen 24/7 monitoring center to do a remote check and complete setup. On this call, you will be asked to provide a safe word and primary contacts for all records. Please do not share this information with anyone other than the monitoring center. This marks the end of your setup. We look forward to having you as part of the Digicel Smart Home family.